Lakeview's an inpatient residential treatment program in Jacksonville, and we treat people 18 and over with substance use disorders and mental health disorders. Our program has really grown to be a life-saving opportunity for families and patients struggling with addiction. And what makes us unique is that we have embedded this culture of servant leadership that takes care of our staff, and by taking care of our staff, we're able to take care of our patients better.
My name is Roy Serpa. I'm the President and CEO of Lakeview Health. The servant leadership approach values each individual. We trust our employees. We believe that they know what they're doing. So the key component of all that, of having that strong foundational culture that we have now, is that focus on the employee transmits dramatically over to patient care.
The environment, I think, is one of collaboration inside and outside these walls. I think patients and staff feel safe here and supported here on every level. The key word for me would be empowerment.
Servant leadership is giving us the tools to become successful, sharing ideas, collaborating, working together. And I mean, ultimately what you have when you do that is you have the ability to affect change.
We, the people working with the patients every day, are the ones who get to make the decisions and come up with what works best. Our CEO, Roy Serpa, always says that he likes to block and tackle for us. So we bring him the issue, and then he helps us figure out how to get through it, or gives us the resources to do that.
On it, let's go. Shoulders back, head up, paddle, 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 go. 1, 2, 3. Flat hands, low, and
go. We have a really young population, so we had to get creative. We had to do different things. Hence the surfing, equine therapy, adding more specialty groups. We added tobacco cessation, relapse prevention groups, psychodrama groups, things that if talk therapy didn't work for you, you could find something else that could activate emotion and help you build better coping skills.
Equine therapy is where we go up to a small farm, and the patients learn that they can get help through change of themselves working with the animals.
My name is Patty Griffiths, and I am a clinical interventionist, and I'm also the clinical director at Beaches Recovery Services. Lakeview, I would say, is at the top of my list. I get to have updates about the client's progress. They don't just discharge their patients and, they're done. The patient becomes part of a family, the alumni, and they do things, and they have events that they get to go to and stay connected to the recovery community.
I'm Dr. Brian Jackson, and I'm the clinical director of the Greenfield Center. We're an intensive outpatient treatment facility. Katie Armstrong, who we knew came on board in terms of an outreach person, and we felt it was time to give Lakeview a chance. And the results were, we felt as though Lakeview was putting out winners. We were getting back people who were satisfied, who had good things to say about what was going on at Lakeview Health. And so therefore, as far as inpatient referrals, Lakeview has now become our go-to facility.
It's really branding Lakeview nationally now. Branding and training the reps to call on the right people, to say the right things, and to do the right things to get patients into treatment so they can better their lives.
The True North message was designed to help people see that we were becoming new and different, to be an organization that was going to empower individuals to be sober and to live a life in recovery. When you think about what it means when you look at the North, it's constant. It's moving in one direction. And so when we have individuals and families that come to treatment at Lakeview, we try to help them find that path towards that constant for them. And for them, that will look like sobriety. It will look like healthy, well-being, balanced life.
So we've had a tremendous amount of transformation related to the organization, and we are in the process of 5 phases of construction. Phase 1 is already done, which is the entrance, a warm and receptive environment. Phase 2 involves a state-of-the-art gym, running track, a lap pool. Phase 3 is going to involve a new women's center, also a 145-seat conference center, and an administrative building.
Lakeview is an oasis in the drug treatment world, and we are who we say we are. We are transparent, and I think that the community now, sees that we're for real, that this is the real thing, and that they can trust us with their patients.
As the leader of Lakeview Health, I'm extremely excited about our future and look forward to Lakeview Health being considered a center of excellence, an employer of choice, and most importantly, making a difference in the lives of others.